Welcome in Talio Flats Premia Condo Unit, 1 bedroom combined units at Barangay Kauswagan, Cagayan de Oro City. The two units combine into a 1 bedroom combined units created by joint two adjacent studio units, making a larger and more flexible living space. Provides a separate bedroom, bigger living and dining area, and wider kitchen space compared to a regular studio. Ideal for a couples, small families, or professionals who want a dedicated sleeping area. Bigger floor area means bigger comfort and stronger long-term value. Perfect for a long-term renters, executive, or small families who prefer spacious condo living. If you like this condo, please comment down below. So, please follow and share. Thank you.